Hi, friends! Welcome to Gro Gro Kids. Let's learn and have fun together.
Bubble, bubble, up we go, through the ocean soft and slow. Little shark is smiling bright, splashing in the morning light. Mommy shark swims side by side, Daddy shark enjoys the ride. Grandma waves with joyful cheer, Grandpa says come gather here. Bubble dance, splash around, happy friends all gather round. Swim together, sing and play, smiles will brighten every day. Dolphin jumps so high and free, Turtle glides so happily, Octopus waves all 8 arms, Starfish sparkles with its charms, Seahorse twirls with graceful spin, Rainbow fish joins in with a grin. Mama shark crab goes dancing left and right, everyone feels pure delight. Bubble dance, splash around, happy friends all gather round. Swim together, laugh and sing, joy is in everything. Bubbles rising to the sky, tiny fish are swimming by, shining shells and coral glow, magic oceans gently flow. Bubble dance one more time, ocean friends in happy rhyme. Wave goodbye with happy hearts, tomorrow brings a brand new start. Bubble dance, splash around, happy friends all gather round. Swim together, sing and play, smiles will brighten every day.